Welcome to Crispy Kitchen. Today we are making Tomato Pachadi or Thakkali Pachadi. For this we are adding about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil into a hot Kadai, and then we will add half teaspoon of mustard. When it splutters, we will add about 2 red chillies and some curry leaves, 1 green chilli and about 2 medium tomatoes cut into small pieces. Just mix it up, and now we will cover it and cook for 2 minutes on low flame until the tomatoes get mashed well. In the meantime, we will grind 2 tablespoons of coconut and half cup of curd with 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Grind to a smooth paste. Now let's check the tomatoes. Okay, so it's cooked well. We'll just mash it with a spoon. When we cover and cook the tomatoes, it cooks faster than usual. So that is the reason we have covered and cooked. See, it's mashed well. Just mash it with the back of the spoon. We'll just sprinkle some water and mix it up. After this, we will be adding our ground paste. That is a coconut and curd ground paste. Turn off the flame before adding this paste. You don't have to heat after adding this paste. You can just add it and mix it up. Now we'll add about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and some salt according to your taste. You can add more sugar if you require, but this will do for me. Now just mash the tomatoes with the back of the spoon. And now our delicious Thakkali Pachadi is ready. It goes well with rice, chappathi or any kind of parathas.